In this video, we showed how to clear the nvram and reset the password in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To reset the nvram or clear the password with the cover, air shrouds, and risers 3, 5, and 4 removed from the system. To clear the nvram, power off the system, move dip switch over to the off position, and power it back on. Then move it back and power it back on. To clear the password, move the password dip switch to the off position, power it on, and power it back off, turn it back on, and then power on the system. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.